The gun law allows for licensed, weapons licensed citizens in Georgia to be able to carry their firearms in more places, like, for instance, government buildings like the DMV, the tag office, Social Security office, buildings that don't have screen security like a courthouse does or something like that. It allows for some churches to opt in and decide if they want to allow, where previously the state of Georgia was telling the churches what they could and could not allow, which that's just wrong.
It's like my do-rag's been dooed somewhere or the other. A gun's a tool. You use it for whatever it's worth or whatever it's made for. It's like a hoe or a hatchet or a saber or something like that. It's not an arbitrary killing weapon unless it's necessary. It's good for sports, and it's good for target practice, and it's good for protection primarily, because we're going to need a lot of that one of these days. That's right.
The majority of Americans do support common sense gun laws, and we know that through statistics. In the state of Georgia alone, when this law came out, we had 58% of Georgians who said, we don't want this law, we didn't ask for this law.
Yeah, I carry 2 guns because it keeps me from walking in circles. Kind of balance out so I'll be on a straight and narrow. To take them into bars, I don't think it's really that good, because a lot of people, when they get in their cups, they'll do things that they wouldn't otherwise. But if they put that in there to get the rest of it, I guess it'll have to prove itself.
Georgia Carry will tell you that this is their #1 priority, that the only thing that exists in the Constitution is the Second Amendment. There are many more amendments to be heard. The Second Amendment is not the only amendment. They will also say, this is my God-given right to carry a gun. It is not your God-given right. It isn't. It's your constitutional right, but it's not your God-given right.
I don't have it for specific purposes. I just like weaponry, because it's the final argument, if you're going to argue. And I may lose the argument, somebody else may lose the argument. But I wouldn't go out and arbitrarily go down the street shooting people or anything like that. But I've got this one over here, so if anybody don't have a gun, I can loan them this one so they'll have a chance. That's what you've been taught. But I just like guns.